Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are new, we do have on Fridays like this, we do have coaching session whereby people are going to suggest what they want to learn additionally. So, and I'm going to come up with those things. I'm going to teach them live on this call. If you are new, maybe you joined maybe on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, today, be patient. On Monday, your own training is going to start just be patient in your group, your training is going to start. So this particular training, this particular class we're having right now is for the people who have already gone through all the videos and they have maybe additional questions or they want to learn something else or something. They make suggestions and we pick the one that is like common among everyone. Then we are going to discuss it live. So because I'm going to be discussing some things now, you might not be familiar with it because you are still new. Don't worry if you are new. Maybe you joined on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or today. Your training is going to start on Monday in your group. So that's that. So as for what I can see here, how to add video to funnel. This is simple now. We have already mentioned this kind of thing. How to add video to funnel. If you want to go to your funnel, you click on site, and when you're on site, automatically you're going to be under funnel, except you want to go to under website, store, and some other things like that. So when you click on this one, recent funnels, but if you click on this one, it's going to like list them alphabetically. The folders are going to be up, then the number, then the alphabet, based on the name you give to the funnels. So when I click on recent, I'm going to see the ones I created recently. So I can click on this particular funnel, business services. If I click on it, it will open. And for funnels, we do have steps. Step 1, you can see funnel steps. We have step 1, step 2, step 3, depending on the kind of funnel you are building. So for this particular funnel, we have 2 steps, just home and thank you. So if you want to open this home, when you're on home, you can just click on this little icon and click on edit a new tab. It's going to open the funnel for you to edit in a new tab, and it is opening. So if you want to add a video, there are so many ways you can add a video to your funnel. I'm going to be showing you everything. So this is your funnel here. So let's assume that instead of this image here, what I want to add there is a video. So I can just click on this little icon, this plus icon at the bottom of this image. If I click on it, it's going to show me all the elements. What I can also do is that I can click on this plus icon here. It's going to show me all the elements, and I can come to elements here. So I'm going to see the element I can add to my website, to my funnel. So when I'm here, I can look for video. You can see video here. So I can just drag it and put it under this image. So if I don't want this image there, I can just click on this little icon, this delete icon on the image. It's going to be deleted, and the image, the video will be here. So when I click on this video, on this my right side, I'm going to see the element name video, the video type. Do you want to embed the video from YouTube? If you want to embed the video from YouTube, it's already on YouTube. So just and copy the link of the video. You can embed any video from YouTube. Let me go to youtube.com. Okay, let me pick any video here. Okay, maybe this one.
I've built over 250.
So this video now, I will just copy the link of the video. I will copy it. I will go to this place and put it here. Under this video URL, I'll put the link here. So when I put it there, so you can see it has loaded the video from YouTube. You can see that's how it is on YouTube. So it has loaded it, did the thumbnail of the video. So if you want to put it in autoplay, whereby when somebody gets to this page, the video will be playing by itself. You can put it in autoplay. Do you understand? But note that when you put a video in autoplay, the sound will not come up. So the person will, due to browser restriction, autoplayed video will be muted by default. So you are going to be the user, the person is going to be the one to turn on the volume. So if the person does not know how to turn on the volume, the video will be playing and the person will be able to hear what the video is saying. So a lot of people can be confused if they are not used to browsing online or how to do these things. That's why I don't like this autoplay. I like to put it up like this, such that when somebody comes here, the person can click on play and both the video and the audio, everything will play together. And you can also limit the control. If you don't want the person to be able to forward or to just go to the end without watching the video from the beginning to the end or something, you can turn off the control. The person will be able to do that. So the person will be forced to watch the video from beginning to the end. But that one too can cause some people to like leave the page. Maybe they want to put it in double speed or something, or they want to check what you are going to say at the end or something. Some people can like, I can't wait for this 30 minutes or 1 hour. Let me just go away. But if the offer is good, maybe the beginning you have a very catchy or something, people are going to be patient. Depending on the kind of offer, the kind of video you make, or the kind of thing you are selling is going to determine what you should do. But that's how to add a YouTube video there. So let me save and let's see how it's going to look. So after saving, then I'm publishing now. So I can click on this preview to open the page. So when somebody gets to the page, this is how it's going to load. You can see. Then the person can come here and click on play.
I've built over 250.
So you can see that there's no control where I can forward or something. Or if I click on it like this, it's going to pause. But how I can forward or something, the control doesn't show because of here, the control is off. So if I put it on like this and save again, and publish, if I should come here and refresh, let's see, you're going to see the control under it. Okay, let me play now.
I've built over 200.
So I can like go to the middle, go to the end. I can click on this, increase the speed things now because the control is on. So depending on what you want to do, you are going to do that. So that's one way. If your video, the video you want to put on your page is from YouTube, that's how you can do it. The other way is that if you click on this thing, you can see you can also host your video on Vimeo. Some people use Vimeo, but Vimeo is paid. Although they have free package, but the free package might not be even useful to you at all. So this is Vimeo. Okay, let me check their pricing. So this Vimeo, I'm going to tell you the reason why some people use Vimeo. You can see for Vimeo monthly now, the lowest package is $20 per month. And what you have access to is 100 gig. You have access to 100 gig storage. So if your videos or everything you want to upload is less than 100 gig, you can buy this one. But if it's more than 100 gig, you can see this one is 2 terabytes, 7. And this one, you have to tell them what you want, then they are going to make a plan for you. So that is Vimeo. For the free one, let me see the highest storage, the maximum storage for the free one. If I'm going to see it, I've forgotten because I don't use this again. So they have free package whereby you can upload just some videos. But something is this. If the reason why some people don't want to use YouTube to host their videos or their courses or something is because if you are using YouTube, somebody who is viewing your page and is seeing your video here, the person can find a way to get access to your YouTube channel or your video, and the person can share that video with some other people. So people don't want that when they are selling courses, people should be able to get access to their main place where they are keeping all their videos. So when you are using Vimeo, you know, for this YouTube now, you can still see the name of the video from YouTube. And in fact, if you can see, I can still see the channel of the person, the name of the channel, the name of the YouTube channel. I can see the subscribers. I can see more details. I can even share. You can see share here. I can even add it to watch later. I can even click on it like this. It's going to open it directly from YouTube.
Perceived as way more valuable.
So these are some of the things people don't want. They don't want people to be able to access their YouTube or access their videos from YouTube, or to be able to share and some other things like that. They don't want people to be able to do that when they are hosting their video on their website or from their courses. That's why they use Vimeo. On Vimeo, if you are using the paid version, but if it is free version, it's just going to be like this YouTube. People will be able to see your Vimeo account. They'll be able to see your Vimeo page, the profile. They'll be able to share. They'll be able to do everything just like YouTube if you are using free Vimeo account. But if you are using paid Vimeo account, you can do it such that all these things will not be there. People won't be able to share. They won't be able to click watch later. They won't be able to see the URL or the title of the video. They won't be able to see your profile. They won't be able to see any of this control. You are in control of everything people can see. If you are using Vimeo paid account, that is this $20 per month. If you are using this, you have control of everything. That's why we have people who are using Vimeo. And I'm telling you, when I was still working actively on Fiverr and Upwork, most of my clients, they use Vimeo. And a lot of them, they go for this package, this 41. I know some that are going for this, but a lot of them, because they have been using it maybe for the past 5 years, and they have a lot of videos, a lot of resources. So they are using this standard, this recommended for 2 terabytes. This is what most of them are using, and they are paying it. Do you understand? $41 per month. If you want to pay annually, it's going to be $25 per month, then times 12. You are going to pay annually. So if you want to be paying every month, it has to be $41. So most of them, they are using Vimeo. A lot of my clients that time, they are using Vimeo. But let me click on this. Apart from Vimeo, you can also use Wistia. You can also use Wistia. You can see this Wistia too. I've used it before. Wistia. Wistia.com. I'm going to tell you the reason why some people are using Wistia. The reason why Wistia is just like Vimeo. You can host your video and you can customize what people can see. You can stop them from seeing your profile picture or anything, just like Vimeo. But one thing Wistia has that Vimeo doesn't have is that you can have video thumbnail. If somebody comes to your, let me go to this place, to my page now, let me refresh it. If you come to this place now, to my page, if it is Wistia, you know, YouTube now, you just have static image as a thumbnail. The same thing to Vimeo too. You are going to have static image as a thumbnail. But for Wistia, the video, you are going to have, you can say the first 5 seconds of the video should be playing. It's going to be as if the video is already playing, but it's not playing. So it's going to play the first 5 seconds. It will go back to the beginning. It will play first 5 seconds. It will go back to the beginning. It will play first 5 seconds. It is called video thumbnail. So when somebody comes here, the person is going to say, this video is already playing. They want to click on play. And when they click on play, either it is playing from the first second, or the second, or the third, or the fifth, or the something. When they click on play, it will start from the beginning. So that psychology of the video is already playing. Let me click on play. It's going to make more people to click on play more than the one that is just static like this. So Vimeo, that's what Vimeo came up with. They have what? Video thumbnail. They are not even using it here. Let me refresh. Because that's one of the reasons why that's one of the angles they came to the market with, video thumbnail. Something like this. It's going to be doing like this. You are going to think the video is already playing, but it's not playing. When you click on play, it will still start from the beginning. But this one just like GIF. So that is Wistia. Let me see their own plan. Their own is this build annually. Where can we change it to build monthly? Build monthly. But this one, if you want to pay annually, it's going to be $19 times 20, times 12. And you pay for annual payment. But if you want to pay monthly, it's going to be higher than this. So they also have free package. But their own free package, the reason the disadvantage of this own free package is that when you are using it, it's going to be powered by Wistia. under the video, powered by Wistia. So people are going to know that it's Wistia you are using. And if you on that powered by Wistia, it's going to take them to Wistia website. And you can easily lose a customer, someone on your page who wants to buy your product. Maybe mistakenly or something, they click powered by Wistia, it just take them away from your website. So people don't usually use this free one. They use the paid one. So that is that. If I go back, apart from Wistia, we have custom embedded. If you want to embed the video normally, maybe you have the code to embed the video, and all this HTML5 for the people who want to embed the video too, maybe from Amazon, AWS or something, they can do that. But GoHighLevel, when they came to the market, do you understand? They destroyed the other people. Why? Instead of you having GoHighLevel now, because other people who are where you can create funnel like ClickFunnels, WordPress, Kajabi, Teachable, all those ones. When you are using them, you still have to be using Vimeo. At least you are using Vimeo or you are using Wistia. When you are using ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel, you are using ClickFunnels, Teachable, Kajabi, all those platforms whereby you can host your courses or your videos or something. You still have to be using Vimeo. If you don't use YouTube, people will be able to have access to your video without paying. So using the paid version of Vimeo and the paid version of Wistia. But what they did is that we are going to make it possible for people to upload their video directly to GoHighLevel without paying extra. Instead of it to be Wistia, this $19 times 12. That's when you are paying annually. But I know monthly is going to be higher. But I can't see it here. It's when you want to pay now, they will give you ability to switch back to monthly. So same thing to this Vimeo now. Please mute yourself. Please join. Noise is coming from someone. So if you want to use Vimeo now, you are going to be paying $20. Instead of going to be paying extra $20, if you are using GoHighLevel, you can do it for free, 100%. Just click on this place and click on hosted video. It's going to ask you to select the video from the videos you have already uploaded on your GoHighLevel. And if you don't have video here, just click on this upload. You can upload the video from your computer or from your phone, and it's going to be here. So you don't have to pay anything extra to host your video. So this is how to host video. And when you upload video, for the hosted video, you can also upload a thumbnail. People are going to be seeing before they play the video. And for the hosted video, this is not the advantage. So many advantages when you are hosting your video on GoHighLevel directly. For the hosted video, you can also enable autoplay. Remember, if you enable autoplay, the audio is not going to come up. The video will be playing, the audio will not come up. The person who is viewing the website has to click on the volume icon for the audio to come up. So that's why I don't usually like this autoplay. But if you like it, no problem. So another thing you can do is that you can allow playback speed control. You can allow people to control speed. Either they want to watch the video in 2x or 1.5x, you can allow it and you can disallow it. We have seen that before. You can show pending time. Maybe the video is 1 hour. You don't want people to know that it is 1 hour. Because when some people know it is 1 hour, no, I can't wait for 1 hour. They will just go. But they can just see the video playing, but they won't be able to see the time it's going to take to the end of the video. So maybe they're going to be patient. And when they have watched the video long enough, if you are saying good things that they like, they're going to be patient to watch the video to the end. Okay. You can also show full screen toggle. And if you like, you can disable it. And this one, you can enable PIP mode on scroll. That is, if you enable this one, if somebody is watching your video now and they scroll down the page, the video will not be playing in just one corner like this. Maybe you have seen that kind of thing before. You are watching the video here, but when you scroll down, since you are not at this place again, when you scroll down, the video will not be playing at just one corner like this. So that is this. You can enable it. And also, you can show the press bar. And also, you can generate Please, if you are noise is coming from someone, please mute yourself. And also, you can generate lead from the video. What do we mean by this? When the video is playing, you can say, okay, when the video has played to maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes, it should pop up a particular form that people have to before they can continue watching the video. Maybe there's a video whereby you have discussed so many things and you are like, okay, when you get to 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it's going to pop up a form on the video itself. So people need to fill the form, maybe with their name and their phone number or their email address or something. They have to submit that information before the video can continue to play. So you can enable that one too. And I'm going to mention the hour or the minute or the second you want that form to pop up. And here you're going to choose the form from the form you have already created on your GoHighLevel account. So you can also click on this, allow user to close the form and continue. If you don't want to make it to be compulsory, you can tick this one here. So if the form pops up, you can allow them to just close it and continue watching the video without filling the form. But if you don't tick this one, compulsorily they must fill the form before they continue. So you have to know what you are doing. Because some people can be like, I don't want to fill this form, Jerry. I can't continue. I'm going. They will just leave your page. But if you know that the way you are presenting the offer, most people would like to fill the form before they continue, you can tick it based on what you want to achieve from your offer. So that's that. So the last one here is that redirect unregistered users. So when you do that, maybe the people who do not register, do you understand? You can redirect them to another page. So you have so many options you can test out here when you are uploading your video or you want to embed your video on GoHighLevel. So that's the very first question. How to add video to funnels. I've just showed you. The second one, how to add WhatsApp link to funnel. You want to add WhatsApp link. It's very simple. WhatsApp link, there is official one that WhatsApp has. Let me say docs.new. WhatsApp, the link they have officially is the wa.me/2348077155668. For example, this link is the official WhatsApp link, whereby when somebody clicks on it, if this number is your phone number, they will come to your DM. Automatically, they will come to your DM. This is the WAMI link. And if you want to, when somebody comes to your DM, you want them to send a particular message, a prefilled message to you. Maybe you want to put the link, when somebody clicks on it and they come to your DM, you want them to say, I'm interested or I want to join. Without them typing it manually, it's already contained in the link. What you can do with that is this. Okay, it seems I copied that link. Okay, look at this one. Okay, let me increase the font so that you can see it very well. Okay, so it's going to be wa.me/234, then your number. And they're going to be question mark, then they're going to be text, then equals to. You now be writing what you want people to send to you. Like this one, you write plus. This plus means space. I want to join e-commerce jumpstart. So when somebody clicks on this link now, it's going to take them to my WhatsApp. Do you understand? And the message that's going to be prefilled for the person is, I want to join e-commerce jumpstart. If the message you want them to prefill is, I'm ready, it's going to be then plus ready. So if somebody should click on this link altogether here, do you understand? So what the person is going to send to me is what? I'm ready. If you send it to this number on WhatsApp, I'm ready. So if you put your number here, if what you want people to send to you is good, then plus afternoon there. If you don't put the space, if you don't put the plus icon there, both good and afternoon will be written together. Do you understand? Both good and afternoon will be written together. So you have to put this plus to be separating them with space. So this one is the official WhatsApp link. So, for example, now if I want somebody to send this one to me on WhatsApp, I'll just copy it. And then I will come to that particular button. If this is the button I want them to click to be able to message me on WhatsApp, I will click on this button. Then I will come down here Under this button action, link to, I will click on it. I will then I will choose website URL. Then I will paste this one there. That thing that I copied. Do you understand? If I want it to open a new tab, I can turn this one on. And if I'm not in need of that, I will just put it like this. Then I will save. Then, so if I should open this one in a new tab now, let's see. Okay, if somebody should come to my page and they click on this button now, you can see it's taking them to WhatsApp to message Sadu Prime on WhatsApp, and the message that it has previewed for them is what? Good afternoon. So they will just click on send, and they are going to send this message, good afternoon, to me, because I've already done that in this place. Don't forget to wa.me/234, then your phone number without the zero, question mark, text equals to the image of the word you want them to send to you. So that's how to do that if you want to use the official WhatsApp link. But there's another one, wa link. Go to wa.link. When you are here, this wa.link, also you are just going to enter your phone number here. Maybe your phone number is 8099233445. So when you put your phone number here, then you write the message you want people to send to you. Maybe that good afternoon. Do you understand? So you can see the preview here. You can see the way it is. They're going to message this number, and the message is going to be good afternoon. So when you are done, when you have written your message and everything, just click on generate my wa link to generate. So just come down here and copy it. Copy link. You can see copy link. So you can also put the link here. So put the link here. So you can see this one and some things. So just save and you publish. So when you are done with that, let's preview. What is happening? Let me preview again. Okay. Now, if somebody comes to my page now and they click on this, look at it too. The same thing. It takes them to that WhatsApp, that number, and you can see good afternoon here. Do you understand? You can see good afternoon here. So that is how it works. You can use wa link and you can use that official one. If you don't want to be memorizing the code, you can use this wa link. So people do ask me that which one do I like to use? I like to use that one of official. That wa.me, and this is the reason. If you are using wa link, if you send wa link to somebody on WhatsApp and they click on it, WhatsApp doesn't recognize wa link. It will first take you to the browser, to your Chrome. Then when it takes you to your Chrome, that is going to take you to the server of wa link. Then they are going to decode it and they will now send you back to WhatsApp. So that one is like 2 stages or 3 stages. Do you understand? But if you use that wa.me and you send it to somebody on WhatsApp, if they click on it, it will not go outside of WhatsApp until it interprets. It's going to interpret it inside WhatsApp. It will not take you to. It will not take you to.
Hello, sir. Please, can you repeat that? Your voice is fluctuating.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me right? Can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I said people do ask me that what is the difference between wa link and wa me? That's wa.link and wa.me. What's the difference? I said I prefer to use that wa.me. And this is the reason. If somebody clicks on that wa.link inside WhatsApp, maybe somebody is chatting with you and you just want to give them another link or something, which is you want them to chat somebody up on WhatsApp. If you give them that wa.link, it will first take the person to the browser, which is your Chrome. If you take them to server of wa link, their server will now decode it. They will now send you back to WhatsApp. But if it is that word.me you send to somebody on WhatsApp, it will not go outside of WhatsApp. It will interpret it inside WhatsApp itself because it's their link, it's the official link. They already know what it means that when you have word.me / a particular phone number, you want to chat with the phone number. And when you have question mark text, something equals to text equals to 1 plus 1, you want to send this thing. They already know. It's part of WhatsApp itself. It's part of their system. It will not take you to Chrome before it interprets it. Inside WhatsApp, it's going to interpret it immediately. This thing I'm telling you, go and practice it and test it after this class. But if you use that word.link, if you use that word.link, it will take you to Chrome. It will interpret that word.link, that is what it means. It will not send it back to WhatsApp. So you can still use that word link if you are already coming from a browser. On your website like this, it's not bad because you are already on a browser. If you click on it, it just take you to another browser, maybe another tab, or if it is the same tab, it will reload the page, go to server of word link, then it will interpret it that you actually want to go to WhatsApp, and it's not send it to WhatsApp. But if it is that word.me you are using, it will go to WhatsApp directly. Do you understand? So that is that. That is that. So the next one is that how to add. The next question here is how to add. How to add. Are you with me?
We are with you, sir.
Okay. The next question is how to add all social media handles. So if you're having a funnel just like this and you want to add your social media handles there, one thing I will first say regarding this is this. It's not advisable to add any link to your funnel except a link that's going to get people to do the reason why they come to that place. You want to sell your product. You want people to click the link to take them to payment page such that they can pay you. And you are adding link to your to your YouTube channel, to your Instagram, to your Facebook. It's not okay. They are already coming from your Facebook, or they are coming from your Instagram, or they are coming from your YouTube channel to come and buy. Now they want to buy, you are distracting them with another link again. This is not a website. If it is a website is not for you to sell anything, just to pass information to people. This is our website, this is our YouTube channel, this is our Instagram, this is our something, this is our this. WhatsApp is just shouting about everything you do. It's not selling anything particularly. But on your funnel, you want to sell something. You have to close all distractions. Don't put any link, any button that is not going to allow you to sell. Anything that's going to take people outside that funnel without taking that action you want them to take, don't put it on the page. I remember when I was still working on Upwork, somebody wanted to design a funnel. Maybe the person is a German, one German guy like that. So I was talking with him on a live call like this, and he was describing, wanted to do funnel, want to add it. I said, look, that's not the reason for a funnel. You are taking people from your YouTube channel, because he was channeling people from YouTube channel. You are taking people from YouTube channel to your page for them to buy. Now you are asking me to add the button of your Instagram or your Facebook or something. Do you understand? He said, no, that's why I want to know that we have online presence. I said, if the reason for the funnel is we want people to know that you have online presence, let's create funnel for that. And what you are going to be telling people there on that particular is how to get access to other social media platforms that you have. But if you want them to come and pay you, you have to remove everything that, even if you are mentioning that you have maybe 1,000 something, or you have 100,000 followers on Instagram, you have this one, you have this one, you are not going to put the link there. They are just going to read it. We are going to say it there. Maybe you can put the screenshot there to let us build trust that we have online presence. We have 100,000 followers on Instagram or 100,000 followers on Facebook. But putting the link for people to click and go to that Facebook there is not advisable if you are using funnel. But because it's going to defeat the reason why we are building funnel in the first place. To sell one thing, not to cause any distraction. If you're going to put everything you want, that's a website. I've mentioned this and I've explained this enough. Do you understand? So that is that. But if you want to do it, you can just come down. Most of the people put it in the footer like this. Do you understand? So just click on elements here, the same way we did, and you come down. GoHighLevel has even made it easier for you. You can see social icons. So you can just drag it and put it anywhere you want to put it. So anywhere you want to put it, you can put it. So you can see everything is there. Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok. So just come to this place and click on it. When you click on this pencil icon for Facebook now, it's going to load. Then you can put the link to your Facebook page there. And and this new window, if you want it to open a new window or the current window, do you understand? You can decide. So just put the link to your Facebook and say update, it's going to be updated. So the same thing to Instagram, click on this pencil icon, put the link to your Instagram page here and just update. Everything's going to be there. And if you are somebody who doesn't have Facebook, you don't just delete it. You don't want to use Instagram, delete it. Just keep the one you like. It's not compulsory you have to add everything. And if you want to add more, you can click on this add more. Choose the social media platform you want to add. There are a lot of them. Pinterest, Google Plus, WhatsApp, so many of them. You can put them and you can customize them the way you like. The color, everything, you can change them the way you like. So that's that. So if you want to drag this one, you can drag it to any place you like. Maybe you want to put it in the footer, or you want to put it up in anywhere. So that's how to do it. So that's how to add your social media handles to your funnel. That's everything we have today. We have completed everything. So on Sunday, we do have question and answer session on Sunday. So make sure you are there. If you have one question or the other, I'll be there. If you are just joining us, you are welcome to the community. So this is how we do have our coaching session on Friday. On Sunday, we do have our question and answer. And on Wednesday, we do have practical, live practical, support, whereby people who have issues, I can assist them. I myself on Wednesdays. Although we already have support where you can submit your ticket and you can get support, yet I like to do this too. Because some people are going to be like, they're not satisfied with what they are getting from support. But these support people, they are also in my office here. Do you understand? Their own office is just different to my own inside our main office here. So when they have one issue and they are unable to solve it, they do come to me that this issue, what should be their response? And I'm going to tell them. So that's that. So we're going to meet on Sunday. Yunus, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So that's it.
Okay, sir. We for the time that we have, can we give a grace of the time and give question to only what was taught today?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so if you have question on what the coach just teach us, please raise your hand and I will allow you to talk. Only what was. Yakub, you can speak now. Yakub? Okay, he's not online. Oh, someone who else have any question in respect to what the coach just finished teaching us?
Hello, Miss. Hello. This is
Yes,
Amina.
I do have
Okay,
a question.
Amina, go on.
Yeah. Please, I want to know because I came late here and I want to know, is it e-commerce site you are dealing with or our normal
Yes,
GoHighLevel this thing?
this
Okay.
is e-commerce class, and we are teaching GoHighLevel on how to insert videos and social media handles.
Okay, this is will I put it? How do I?
Sorry,
Where
you
people
come
buy
late.
for the
Sorry, you come
shopping?
late. You come late. Let someone who joined us earlier ask question, please.
If you come late, you are going to watch the replay. Don't worry, it will be available.
Oluwa Sheun, please go on.
Yes, I do. I do have a question.
Okay.
Oluwaseun,
You can speak
unmute
up if you have
yourself,
a question.
Oluwaseun.
Yes, I do. I do have a question here.
Okay.
So, do I have the floor? Can I speak?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, please.
Oluwaseun, speak.
All right. Yeah, my question is based on the GoHighLevel. So I want to add
Okay.
that subsequent subscription of the GoHighLevel, would it be, you know, that we are buying through Stadio Prime now. So subsequent time, maybe next year when we want to like renew the, what's it called? So are you going to help us renew it, or are we just going to pay directly? Are we going to pay directly to the company ourselves, since we are using
Don't,
the one you sold
don't,
to us?
don't worry, we have a platform we are going to renew from.
Okay. All right.
So
That's my question.
we are rebuilding it. So when it is done, we are going to give you access to it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, John, what is your question? John Ada, your question should be what the code just finished teaching us, please. Unmute yourself, John Ada, and speak. I mean, I can still see you raising your hand. Please ask question on what the code just teach us. Unmute yourself and speak. Amina.
Yunus, I believe this is just going to waste our time. When they have questions, maybe on something, we are going to respond to their questions.
Okay, so thank
I'm not raising my hand.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's that. So with this, we are going to come to the end of today's coaching session. So by Sunday, we are going to meet.
Thank you, sir. May God bless you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.